Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make some professional reels for Instagram to boost your views. Alright, so I went ahead and I selected my background video that I'm going to use. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to text. I'm going to add a text. I'm going to add morning affirmation. After doing that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to font. I'm going to change the font. You can use whatever font you want. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to change the color, change it to white. Okay, so now I'm going to select on the video, go to edit video, adjust. I'm going to turn the brightness down. I'm going to turn the contrast. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to bring this up to the top. I'm going to go to line spacing. I'm going to adjust the line spacing and the letter spacing. Okay, so once we do that, we're going to select it again. Now we're going to add some animation to it. We're going to use this animation. We're going to adjust the speed. Now we're going to add some more text. Okay, so once you add your text, you can choose a different font, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to adjust the text. I'm going to select it. I'm going to unbold. Perfect. So now what I'm going to do with this text is I'm going to add the animation typewriter. I'm going to adjust the speed. Now we don't want both of them to come in the same time, so I'm going to select it. I'm going to select the three dots. I'm going to go to show timing. I'm going to adjust the timing. So I want it right after morning affirmation come in. Alright. Okay, so you can add any more elements you want. This can be something perfect for your Instagram page. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to add follow for more. I'm going to change the font on this one. I want to leave this one bold. Now I'm going to go to effects. I'm going to select background. I'm going to turn the roundness down. About 6 is fine. I'm going to turn up the spread. I'm going to go back to this. I want a different color. So I'm going to change the color. Perfect. So this is the color I want to work with. Alright, so I'm going to go to animation. I want this one animated. Okay, this one looks perfect. I'm going to adjust the timing. And there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun tutorials in Canva.